Hello?
My name is Tyrone. My son just came and trick-or-treated at your house a little while ago.
Okay.
I don't know what happened. I don't know if this is some kind of practical joke or what's going on. Apparently, there was a condom inside of his bag.
I don't understand what you mean. Your son came over and trick-or-treated, but I don't know who he is and what you need.
His name is Billy. He's an African-American. He came to your house, trick-or-treated, and when I was opening up his bag and just going through the candy, making sure everything's okay for him to eat, there was a condom in there, and I asked him, what house did you get this from? He told me, yo, guys, we drive around the neighborhood again. He pointed to your house and said, I got it from them, Daddy.
Okay, we wouldn't give your son a condom. And how did you get this number?
You know, Google.
Google? So you Googled our address and our number came up?
Essentially, yeah.
Essentially, okay. Well, I'm sorry, but we did not give your son a condom, but...
Wait a minute, what kind of candy were y'all giving out then? Because he told me, he's like, yo, Daddy, I got this from right here.
Hold on one moment, please.
Hello. May I help you?
Hey, how you doing there? My name's John. I actually had my son come by. He was trick-or-treating around your house, and he rang the doorbell and got some candy. We went home. I was just going through his bag, you know, making sure everything in there is okay to eat. And there was just a condom in there, and I don't know what's going on. I asked him, I said, hey, Billy, where'd you get the condom? And he pointed at your house.
Oh, well, you know what? Sorry, honey, but this house does not do things like that. And your son can be making up a story or whatever.
No,
I don't even know
son
who it
would not
is
tell
or
a
how
lie.
old he is. Well, we don't do things like that here.
Well, what'd you give out for Halloween then, ma'am?
Candy.
Flavored condoms? Is that your idea of candy?
What do you want, asshole?
Hey, dog, you better chill out, homie. I came to your damn house and I got a condom in my bag.
Hey, go fuck you. Fuck you, you motherfucker.
Hey, chill out, dog. You better chill with that.
Hello?
Yeah, I think we got disconnected.
We hung up.
Who's we? You hung up on me, dog. I'm trying to talk to you. You hung up on me.
I got nothing to say to you.
Well, why you being a bitch, dog?
Hey, listen, this is enough of this bullshit, okay?
Hey, dog, you better chill out, man. I'm just trying to have a
No
conversation.
chilling out, motherfucker,
Chill,
okay?
dog. Take a chill pill. Take a
I'm not
chillax.
taking a fucking chill pill.
Take a
I got your
chillax.
fucking cell phone number. I'm calling the fucking law right now.
Stop
Goodbye,
hacking.
motherfucker.
Dog, stop hacking. Stop.
Damn, I guess my son don't look like no Billy, but I hope y'all enjoyed that. Don't forget to check out the other animated pranks if you new, and subscribe to catch our future videos, boo-boo.
You heard the man. Huh?